How to turn off screen reader on PS5. So if your PS5 reads things out of nowhere, you likely enabled the screen reader accidentally or forgot to disable it during the initial setup. This can be inconvenient and unnecessary, but there is a way to turn it off. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to PS5 home screen. Once you're in here, head over to settings at the top right. Inside settings, head over to accessibility. Well, the option of screen reader will be visible to you. Click on it. Well, if the screen reader button is toggled on, well, you need to make sure that it is turned off and the other options are grayed out. And that's how you disable the screen reader. Now you will be able to use the PS5 without screen reader. Well, now the screen reader will be inactive until you toggle on this button once again. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to turn off screen reader on PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And thank you for staying with us till the end.